Hello guys, 2018, 2022. This is a Jeep Cherokee lost key situation. We are connected to the OBD, but with the 1218 cable. Okay, this came out of this little computer. That's right there. That's located back there. Okay, I'm gonna take out the screen, the cover, and you should be able to get in there. There's 4 screws, and there's another 2 at the beginning. You gotta open up the bottom where are the buttons for the AC and all that. Pop that out, 2 screws, and this all pops out the screen, and then you get to it. Connect your cables, and then we're able to program our new key.